This video looks at Activity 8 of the Martlepool College database. This is the interface evaluation. You're recommended to take 20 minutes for this, and providing you've practiced some evaluations prior to going into the exams, you should achieve this quite easily. We're going to evaluate the interface, and you should consider the quality, performance and usability of the interface you have created in terms of how well it ensures. And then we've got things about the referee form. We need to talk about the referee's name must be present, the referee's email address must use a valid format, the level of the referee cannot be below the valid range, and the level of the referee cannot be above the valid range. A record will save in the referee table if the referee's details are present and valid. Add the results of a fixture and view statistics form. The user should be able to select the team name from a drop-down box that displays only fixtures that do not yet have any results. The results of the fixture will be generated correctly as win, loss or draw. The overall number of goals for Martlepool College should be displayed including the current fixture, and the overall number of goals against Martlepool College should be displayed including the current fixture. And as always, you need to save this as a PDF in your folder for submission using the file name activity 8 _ registration number _ surname _ first letter of first name. There is no template for Activity 8. You will need to create a Word document and then save this as a PDF. As with the evaluation in Part A, I think it's easier if you approach this evaluation in two separate parts. So we'll deal with the referee form evaluation first. And I've just done a diagram here just to help clarify thoughts and what you need to be writing about. So we need to comment on the referee name must be present. The referee level must be between 5 and 7. The referee email just must use a valid format, and the record saves if all the data is present and valid. And we only write about what we've been asked for in the activity, and we want to comment on the quality of your interface, your form, and how it performs and its usability. So here's a sample paragraph. For the referee form, I validated the referee's name in a macro to ensure the user enters this before saving the record. Also in the macro, I've checked the email address to ensure it meets the required format. For the referee qualification level, I've provided a combo box for the users to select from, making data entry quick and accurate. If the user enters a value not between 5 and 7, an error message is displayed. If all the data entered is validated, the record for the referee is saved and a message displayed to inform the user it is saved. The second part of the evaluation is about the input results form, and again I've done a little diagram here just to clarify your thoughts. We need to select a team from a combo box for unplayed fixtures. The results of the fixture should generate win, loss or draw, and the overall goals for and against display including the current fixture scores. Again, only write about what is asked for in the activity. Comment on the quality of your interface, that's your form, and how it performs and usability. Here we've got a sample paragraph. For the input results form, I've used a range of features to support the quality, performance and usability. The user can select from a combo box a team that is still to be played. A combo box reduces data entry errors and provides fast input for the user. Once the for and against goals are entered, the form automatically generates win, loss or draw using the if function. The overall goals for and against are calculated using the dsum function. The form then adds the results to the for and against goals and displays these. The result and overall goals are disabled so that the user cannot enter data into these controls. And then finally, just to finish off this evaluation, I think some comments overall will be useful, and the things to comment about are things like clear and appropriate titles, consistent house style formatting, a logical layout and the usability features. Here we've got a sample paragraph. So my forms have a consistent house style and professional look, or look professional. Controls that do not have user input have been disabled, and I've provided instructions for the user on each form, i.e. prompts where to enter data. My forms have a logical layout and the control labels are in bold. Use of colour is limited to maintain a professional look, and both forms have appropriate titles. I've taken off the record selector, navigation buttons and scroll bars to enhance the appearance of the forms. Controls have been resized to be appropriate for the data in them. The forms have an overall balanced look as I have centred titles and the controls and their labels. That completes the Activity 8, the evaluation of the interface. In the final video on this playlist, I'm just going to put together a little video showing how to present all the templates for the examiner and give you some advice and guidance on the completion of those. So hopefully you look into those and make sure you get your maximum marks for your exam.